For today's 2-minute tip, I want to talk to you a little bit about a misconception or even a myth around franchising, and that's that you need to have prior experience in order to be successful in a franchise. And that's not the case. That means only plumbers would have plumbing franchises and only accountants would have H&R Block franchises and only doctors would own med spas, right? If you really start to think about it, franchising is the opportunity to change what industry you're sitting in, and also to take your skills and your skill set that you've developed and honed over the years and take those soft skills and then apply them to running your own business. And if you can read a P&L and you can read a balance sheet, that's a great start, right? But I just want to really talk to you about the fact that you do not need prior experience in an industry in order to explore a franchise in that space. The franchisor, that's their job, right? They're going to help you run the business, find the talent, find the staff that you need. You have to do the work. There's no doubt about it. But Franchisor has a lot of background in this space, where to find the right talent, how to post something on those job boards, and really help you with what you could consider possibly being not ready to do in your business because you just don't know the industry and you don't know what questions to ask. Franchising is a path to business ownership, but you absolutely 100% do not need to have a background in the industry that you're considering. So just kind of know that right away. And I work with a lot of people right now. I mean, what did they say? 40 million Americans quit their job last year. A lot of them didn't quit to do something similar. They want to do something different. Franchise ownership is a path for them. I hope that helps.